Firstly, we'll talk about what's the rule for indentation and what role does the white space play. So we'll talk about if statement just next to it. So you should not be worried. So for example, if I write a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3. So if I do if, so I after if I provide space, then a greater than b, and then I specify a colon here. Instead of the parenthesis, what I can do, I can simply provide the space here, provide the colon, so it will carry me to the indentation which Python has set to default. So if I do not specify colon, so it will send me on the same indentation. Python knows that if I am writing a if statement followed by a colon, so my indentation will be here, and whatever the operation which I will be doing, it will be here. So let's say if a is greater than b, I'll update a to 4 and b to 5. Since a is not greater than 4, this value will not be updated. So you can see a is 2 only. So the basic takeaway from this indentation thing is, so you have anything, means you can have if here, you can have for. So when you provide space, you can write the operation which you want to do after that, and then you provide the colon. So the colon will take care of the indentation. So indentation is Python is very important. If the indentation is not aligned well, Python will throw you error regarding the indentation.